What's up guys, I'm back with another video. Yep, as you can see we're going to be playing some more Clash Royale. Today our aim is to get the crown chest. As you can see, I want to complete that crown chest. And yeah, so that's our aim for today. I'm going to play some but 1v1s and 2v2s. So yeah, I'm going to play a 2v2 first. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh my god, what's that? Okay, no mind. Frozen Peak. I don't have. This guy should put his put your giant skeleton down. Please put your giant. Oh no, you know what? Oh, is my lagging? It's lagging. Oh yes. Yeah, boy. Oh, why is this lagging? I got my hunter down. Oh, why is my thing lagging? Oh, why's this lagging, fam? It might be. Oh my god, why is this lagging? Guys, can you see this lag that's happening? I put my mini pecker down. Look. What the what? What happened to the flipping internet now? Oh my. Guys, I'm so sorry. We have to wait. Okay. Why would you hour that? Okay, the lag stopped. Go for the tower. Yes, okay. At least we have one crown. We've lost, but GG anyways. At least we got one. Right, 9 more to go. I'm gonna do a battle. Oh, that was some good defending. Not gonna lie. Distract, please. Go for the. Oh my god. Stupid minions. Please, please, can I have this tower? I think I might. No, I won't. Oh. This guy is so annoying. This guy's already. You know what? This guy's so annoying. Just please let me have that. Oh my god. Flip. Hogwarts is so annoying. Oh, I might lose this one. Oh, this guy. Go for the. No. Go for the tower, please. Yes! Let's go! I'm so gassed. Nope. You flopped that, man. You flopped that. Don't try it. Yo, this is a draw, fam. I got that. He's obviously gonna get this tower. But I got his tower low. Yo, this guy's sick. No, missed my arrows. Boom. I'm spamming. I'm gonna spam all my players. Let's go. Let's go. 6 more crowns. Oh wait. We could make it to Arena 3 as well. Okay, I'm gonna play TVT. Oh. At least I know they waited the arrows. Oops. Mm. Oh. That was too late. Oh wait, we caught 1 tower actually. So that means I have 6. So that means I have 7. I'm not doing anything to that. They can have that tower. I am not. I was not bothered to defend that. I want to get this tower. I got arrows. Yes, let's go. That was some sick defending. They can't win. They can't win. In a bit, fam. What play? Yes, guys. 4 more crowns now. I'm gonna do a battle. No, cancel, please. Cancel. Please cancel this game. No! Because I feel like it's gonna lag, because it showed the lag sign. No. Please be some bad person. No. Like, I really like these players who just don't do anything. Just let you win. Oh. It's not even going good. They're just spamming their players. What the flip? I'm just spamming the players. And they have so much elixir. Which one I spam my players now? Exactly. That's what I like. Go for this tower. Yes, they both split up. That's good. And my prince. Yes, prince. Yes, prince. Yeah, that was some sick play. Before he spams any of his players, I'm gonna spam mine first. So I get a head start. No, Dragon! Why? Why didn't you defend? Oh, never mind. At least I got my hunter. Mini Peko. I don't be. Oh no. I feel like leaving this mini Peko, but I'm not. I'm somehow winning. He was doing such a good. Yo, this is. I need to get this tower, please. In a bit, yes. Savage Kid is in a bit. Yo, I'm in arena 3. I did not notice that. I forgot all about go. You can move into arena 3. How many do you need now? 1 more. I'm gonna do 2v2 to finish it off. Yes. No, I messed up. I got my goblins. No, goblin, you stupid goblin. Come on, just need one tower. I feel like, yeah, I will get a tower. I just need one, you know? Yes, baby dragon. Yes. Oh, never mind. That was a sick play from him. I think he messed up. No, they didn't mess up. He might get this tower. Yes! Yes! Please go for... No, man. Who cares? Who cares? We got this tower. And to end the video right there, we got a free crown. Let's go. GG. Oh, wait, I forgot. We have to open our crown chest. Okay. Gold. Gems. Yo, I got the cannon. Whoa. Oh, I got the cannon. It's okay. It's not the best. Wait. No, guys. When I open my magical chest, I will do a video on that. When my magical chest is ready to be opened, I promise I'll do a video on that. So, yeah. Today, like later on today, I might make a Fortnite video on Playground. It might be like an hour long. So, I'll see you guys then. Peace.